Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Your phone must support Kai and the Samsung Pad must be powered via USB-C. Plug the supplied cable into an 18W or higher adapter. This ensures stable charging speed. Once done, place the pad on a flat, stable surface and remove thick cases, credit cards, or metal mounts because they block or heat the coil. Make sure the indicator LED lights. That tells you power is present. Now position the phone roughly centered over the coil to begin alignment. You should center the phone over the pad so the phone's charging coil lines up with the charger's coil. Once you set it down, look for the LED change or vibration that confirms charging. If nothing happens, lift and recenter, then try small adjustments. Make sure to use portrait or landscape if your pad allows both. Some phones charge faster when aligned one way. Keep cooling airflow around the device and remove magnetic mounts or slim metal rings, as they can cause slow charging or thermal throttling. You complete charging by leaving the phone still until it reaches the desired battery level. Fast charge indicators show speed. If charging fails, start with quick fixes. Reboot the phone, try a different USB-C cable and 18W plus adapter, and test another wireless pad to isolate the issue. If the phone gets hot, remove its case and pause charging until it cools. Thermal cutoff can reduce or stop charging. One key troubleshooting tip: test with a known good adapter and cable before assuming the pad is faulty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.